Toro Snowblower Repair Instructions. The Toro Snowblower can require repairs due to the kind of fuel in its gas tank, the general condition of the engine's flywheel, or the buildup of fluid within the carburetor bowl. These are common problems that can be troubleshooted and repaired in short order without the help of a professional repairman. You will not require previous knowledge of snowblower engine design to get your Toro Snowblower back to a proper operating state. Things you will need: gasoline, socket wrench, flywheel pulley, file, pan, carburetor cleaning mixture, cloth, wire brush. Check the fuel level of your Toro Snowblower. If the snowblower requires fuel, add it in. If the fuel has been left in the machine since a previous season, this old fuel will need to be disposed of before you can refill the tank with new fuel. Add a splash of new fuel to the old fuel to get the Toro Snowblower started, and leave it idle and allow all the old fuel to burn away. Refill the Toro Snowblower's engine with fresh fuel. This will help the machine to run efficiently. Access the Toro Snowblower's flywheel. The flywheel is the distinctive circular part on the top of the engine assembly. The flywheel has an iron shroud covering it that is held in place with numerous bolts. Remove each bolt with a socket wrench, and pull off the shroud and lay it aside. Remove the single bolt at the center of the flywheel with the socket wrench. Arrange a flywheel pulley over the exposed Toro Snowblower's flywheel so that the two pulley arms extend over the outside of the flywheel's sides. Tighten the single bolt at the center of the flywheel pulley with your socket wrench. You must continue to tighten this bolt until the pulley causes the flywheel to pop free. Examine the outer fins of the flywheel and check for burrs. These burrs must be filed down with a file to keep the flywheel in good repair. Reattach the flywheel and its shroud to the Toro Snowblower's engine assembly using your socket wrench. Locate the Toro Snowblower's carburetor. The distinctive bowl-shaped Toro carburetor bowl is located along the left side of the engine assembly. The carburetor may require cleaning and draining. Place a pan under the carburetor bowl. Take your socket wrench and loosen the nut at the bottom of the bowl. Let the fluid drain out into the pan. Remove the nut from the Toro Snowblower's carburetor bowl completely. Use your hands to twist the bowl off the engine assembly. Clean out the inside of the Toro Snowblower's carburetor bowl with carburetor cleaning mixture in a damp cloth. Soak the Toro carburetor nut in a pan of carburetor cleaning mixture and clean it off with a wire brush. Return the carburetor bowl to the Toro's engine and screw it on, and tighten the nut into the bottom of the bowl using your socket wrench.